guys, what's up? Welcome to Team Sleepy and I'm Saina. Welcome back to another video after a long time. My voice may be echoing, but let me get into the car and then we will talk about what was happening that I could not upload videos. So let's go. Okay, so welcome back to my YouTube channel, and I know you're seeing me after a very you're seeing me after a very long time, but the reason being that I was pretty busy. Honestly, I was very busy. You will see the videos little later. Now I've shot some videos because of whatever. You can see my background and stuff. Well, just to give you a short news, or rather a very weird news, the house I used to live in, I'm not living there anymore currently. I'm living in a different house now. I have shifted, and my shifting vlog and all will come up very soon on the channel. So that is pretty much what I was up to. Shifting, settling. Still there's a lot of shifting and settling to be done. That is the latter part of the story, but for now the story is that I have shifted to another flat in another new place, and that is pretty much the information that I can give you. And if my face is very, like, it's broken out very badly, it's because of the issues of water change and food and everything. And also I'm looking very swollen because I'm really exhausted of the packing, unpacking, shifting process that has taken place, and a lot of emotions and a lot of things that have taken place over the month. I was not letting you know what was happening. It was because we were keeping it very private. Like I told you, keep your life private as much as possible. So that is what I was doing. I was keeping my life very private, to the point where I was not discussing anything with anyone. But that is pretty much it. So right now I'm living in an apartment in a big city, which I won't be mentioning currently. I'll mention that later on. I've taken some videos and I've done some vlogs on my shifting and everything that you will see once I edit and upload them. And also I was thinking, because I'm not uploading videos, how should I be doing that stuff? So I just thought that, you know, people might be thinking that this girl, she's opened a YouTube channel but she's not talking about what's happening, she's not uploading videos. What's the need of, you know, then opening a YouTube channel? So I thought that no, I should just give a brief note of what's happening in my life currently. So please don't mind if I'm not uploading any videos. You will get videos from me about the shifting and everything after some time. But for now you will not get any of those videos from me, because there's a lot of matters that we need to keep to ourselves and stuff like that. But surely you will get those later. Now currently my situation in my life is I am getting ready for college, which is the major part of adulting and a major part of growing up. Is I'm getting ready for college and stuff. And also my birthday just happened, and I shot a birthday vlog also, which I will be uploading. Firstly I have to edit them and then upload them, but till then I think this is just a video to inform you that why I'm not uploading video, and I'm going through a really difficult period. So I'm not lying to you, I'm not being dishonest. Absolutely, you will come to know everything once I start uploading the videos that I've taken or I've chosen to show you later. Now of course it is the way it is, and yeah, it's just been a very topsy-turvy journey so far, and I won't be denying the fact, but it's been a lovely journey. Everyone has ups and downs in their life, and so do I. We all human beings, so we all do have ups and downs in our life. And I've not had a very good journey, but I think we have to learn to appreciate the good and the bad. So yeah, and of course I miss my old home. There is no doubts about that, but I couldn't have had a better life now. The way I am living now is something that I could not pray to God for a better life. I mean, if He's given me this life, I think it's the best life so far. And if you're thinking why am I jumping, it's because of the bumper. So yeah, that is my life update. And I just want to make this video to let you know that in all this time of difficulty and in all this time of shifting and moving on with life and closing one chapter, starting one chapter, we have to be very positive. In the note of being positive, I want to just say that it's very easy to feel the negativity around you always, but feeling the positivity around you is very difficult to acknowledge the negativity. It's easier than said, but to acknowledge the positivity is more difficult, because to be positive you need to do a lot of things. And currently you can see I'm having dark circles, which I was not having. I'm having pimples, which I was having, but now it's worse. I'm having bad hair fall because of stress and the amount of pressure that is on me right now. And also I was being told to rest and sleep and stuff, but I can't because of so much of stress, due to college, due to a lot of this thing shifting. So it's not being easy on us, on our family. So I would just like to request you to keep us in your prayers as much as possible. And in this process there have been a lot of haters, a lot of people who love us. There are a lot of people who've supported us in this journey. There have been a lot of... Later on you will know everything when I start uploading the vlog. But yeah, there have been a lot of people who've just hated on us. I mean, we've left... So my mom was a principal in a school, and it was her own school, but because of certain circumstances she could not continue to be the principal of the school, and she had to leave her post. And it has been very hard on her emotionally, mentally, physically. It has been extremely hard on her, and she's been crying almost every single day, just saying that I don't know if I've done the right thing or the wrong thing, but just to give up your home to someone else isn't easy, right? Your parents' home, giving it up to someone else is never easy. So it has been a little rough and hard on us, but I think if you keep staying frustrated on the situations that have been taking place in your life, it's going to haunt you every single day. That you are guilty of the fact that you've done that. You're guilty of the fact that you have left your position and moved on in life. You're guilty about the fact that you've done that certain decision, you've taken that certain decision because of certain issues that you shouldn't have, probably. So there are haters who are, there are conspirators, people say. Of course there are conspirators in our life right now, but I think I will just like to tell people who've hated on us in this span of time that from my side at least, I don't think my mom or me or anyone in our family should be guilty of the decision that we have taken. I know it's very unseemingly like, what is Saina talking, but yeah, I don't think I'm talking any nonsense, because there are people who hate us and is watching this vlog right now. But I would like to just say that there is no hate on anyone. I suggest you live once, guys. right? You live once. Live in peace and harmony with one another. It is very, very important that every book, every storybook has its own chapter, and every chapter is not good. Every chapter is not good. 50% of the chapter is bad, and 50% of the chapter is good. If there is good, there is bad. If there is bad, there is good in every person's life. So you live nicely and let others live nicely. It's very, very important to live properly. It's easy to say, but it's very difficult to live properly in a world where you are hated. You know, people also love you. There are people who are supporting you, but please, it's not in my case just, but you also live properly and let others live properly. It's very, very important. Now, this was my life update. The second thing that is COVID-19 wave, third wave is about to come and already has hit our country, like the minimalistic you can accept. It has already started hitting our country. Guys, please stay safe and stay healthy, and work out, eat well. Where I'm not working out at all, you can see my face is just swollen. Work out, eat well, and stay healthy as much as possible. And at the same time, try and be stress free, because this COVID has made people go into a lot of depression and a lot of mental just mental stress. So try and be as stress free as possible, and just trust that there is an energy who we call God. Most people do not believe in God, but trust me, the hard times that we have been through, I have just put my complete trust on God, and He is working, guys. He is working. And I may sound the believer of God, or I may sound very atheist for some people, but if you trust that there is an energy, if you also don't believe in God and you trust that there is an energy that will help you in all your circumstances, no matter what, it is a miracle actually for me, because I was the person who was like, for God. And I was like, okay, fine, there is a God, He's working somewhere. But the past few months, past few weeks have been so hectic and so stressful that I've just put all my trust on God, and I've just left it. I'm sleeping stress-free now for some days because of my complete mental peace for some time. I've finally, I can proudly say that I've found peace within myself for the past few days, and I'm so happy for that. Touch wood. And also, God is working for me. I don't have to work and I don't have to struggle, but all I know is God is working, guys. You have to trust God. Whichever God you worship, or if you don't worship God, trust that there is an energy that will work in its own time. If you want something now, I want, you may not get it, because God knows that that's not the right time that you need to get it. God knows that when the right time comes, He will give it to you. You may feel very biggish about yourself if you get everything in one go. Like if you pray to God that God give me this, God give me that, and God gives you everything, take it. You will feel biggish, like, oh, I've got everything. God doesn't want you to feel that way. He wants you to feel humble. He wants you to be a help to others instead of feeling hellish and biggish about yourself. So if you have any problems in life, of course you have to solve some problems of your own, because everything God won't solve for you. If He has put you on this earth, He has put you here for some reasons, right? So 50% of it, do not depend on God, depend on yourself, because you are growing. My birthday, for whatever reason, wasn't going great throughout the day because of all the circumstances that are going on. But thanks to my trust in God, and I prayed that it was my 18th birthday. So happy belated birthday to me. It was my 18th birthday, and I was like, my birthday is not going good. What should I be doing? So I was crying the first few hours of the day, and then I was like, what should I be doing? It's my 18th birthday, and 18th is a big birthday for people. And then I realized that no, there are so many other people in the world who can't celebrate their 18th birthday, who don't even know they're turning 18. There are people who don't get that. Then I was like, no, I just leave it to God, whatever. Finally, my mom came up to me and said, Saina, let's go and get her nails done. This is the first time I got extensions done. When she said that, I was so happy because I wanted this for so long. I was seeing everyone on Instagram and TikTok and whatever, that they're getting all of this done. And I was like, God, I want it. And finally, on the day of my 18th birthday, it was maybe not good, but my mom offered me to get this done. And I was so happy. I was like, oh, okay, fine. My birthday is sorted. I don't want anything else. Just this is fine. And of course, there was a little cake cutting and everything. But apart from all of that, it was very shabby. But I was like, wo bhi chalega, So I was happy. And I knew that good days are coming. If bad days we are facing right now, we are facing depression, we are facing mental sickness or whatever, good days are definitely coming. Leave it to your God. He'll do it for you. So that was it for informing you what was happening and how I'm currently living and what is happening. But yeah, you will get a lot more vlogs coming up. I have to edit and post them. I've done a lot of shooting. I keep telling you that, but I need to get the time to do it actually. Anyways, that's done. You will get all my moving out vlog from my old home to my new home, and my birthday vlog will come up soon, and a lot of things will come up soon. So stay tuned, and yeah, you will get all the vlogs very soon. Just trust on me right now. And guys, I've seen a couple of you are unsubscribing to my channel. Please don't do that. I will start uploading. I saw people are unsubscribing and I was like, no, I have to start posting videos. I'm getting very inconsistent. But you also have to understand that you also have to appreciate the kind of pressure I'm going through. Well, you see this video and you know. Anyways, I'm going to end this video. Thank you for sitting through the video, if you have sat through the entire video and listened to me lecturing. But thank you so much. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Team Sleepy Hair, and I will see you very soon. Trust me, I will see you very soon. I can't give you a date when I'll see you, but I'll see you very soon. Toodles.